Reading words ending with OG. Og. Words ending with OG. Bog, dog, log, fog, jog, and hog. Hog is a person who loves to eat a lot. So now let's make the words. Bog, dog, dog, log, piece of wood, a log, fog, Puggle time, there is fog because you burn things. Jog, you must go and do some jogging. And lastly you have hog. Hog is a person who eats a lot. You eat too much, you say that's a big hog. So bog, dog, log, fog, jog, hog. Now we make sentences. Now what you can do, you can jog. When you jog and hog. Can you jog and hog? Eat and do jogging together? Then you can do a dog on a log. A dog on a log. Okay? A dog on a log. Og. Okay? A jog. You must do jogging and eating together. A dog on a log. Words ending with OG. Bog, dog, log, fog, jog, and hog. Learning to read words ending with OG. Let us read words ending with OD. Okay. Cod is the name of a fish. God, you know, G, capital you must write. Rod is a piece of wood. Pod, a small pod. Pod is inside the piece you will find pod, that's pods. And nod, you must nod. When you ask your question, teacher says something, yes, mommy says something, you nod your head. So now you see cod, the name of a fish. God, God, rod. Get that rod here to give you nicely. Rod. Get the rod to measure the sari or anything. Rod. Pod. Inside the pea there is a seed and you call that pod. And when someone asks you something, tells you something, you nod. Say yes, yes, yes. And that's called nodding. So you have cod, god, rod, pod, and nod. Now, can we get some words together to make some sense? You must nod. You are praying to God, so you nod to God. To God. Okay? God is telling, be a good child. You then. Another one. A big rod. A big thick rod to measure things. A big rod. So we have words ending with OD. You have cord, god, rod, pod and nod. Learning to read words ending with OD. Nod. Reading words ending with OP. Op. O P. Op. Okay. Let's see. Now you have op. Cop. That's a policeman. Hop. You know how to hop. Mop. You mop the floor. Top. You like to play with the top. And pop. When you open a fizzing bottle, pops the juice. Okay, now so we have cur. OP, cop, a policeman. Her. Hop. Then you have mop. You clean the floor. Mop. Top. You play with the top. And then you have pop. Pop. You open something, popping up. Okay. Now let's make a top. Top on a mop. Found a top on a mop. Now, hop. Can you hop? Hop with a mop. Hop with a cop. Okay, you are going to hop with a policeman here. So you have up, mop, hop, cop. Okay. So cop, her, hop, mop, top and pop. Okay. Cop, hop, mop, top, pop. Now we are making some sensible sentences. A top on a mop. There's a top on a mop stick. Hop. You know how to hop. Hop with the cop. That means with the policeman, you're going to hop. Learning to read words ending with op. Reading words ending with OT. Ought. T. Ought. Reading words ending with OT. Okay, here we have cot. Then you have dot, got, lot, not, pot, rot. Okay, fine. Now let's see O-T, cot is that tiny bed. Dot, dot. Then we got. I got full mark. Got. Lord. There are lots of children playing. Not. You are not allowed to go there. Pot. Put water in the pot. Rot. Something that rotting, spoiled. Rot. You have also hot. Hot. Now, let's form the words. Look at the words now. Caught, dot, got, L, lot, N, not, P, pot, R, dot, rot. Let's make sentence. What sentence can we make here? A dot. You are putting a dot on a pot. Putting a dot on a pot. Got hot. Got hot soup. Okay, now let's look at it. Dot, pot, got, hot, a dot on a pot, got, hot soup. Okay, words ending with ot, cot, dot, got, lot, hot, not, pot and rot. Reading words ending with ox. Okay, ox. Reading words ending with ox. Then here you have b and x. So you have box, ox, and you have fox. Okay, just 3 words, b and f. And we need to do some sentence. You can say a box. A box near a fox, or you can say an ox in a box. Okay, and look at that. You have done ox, ox, ox. Okay. A box near a fox, an ox in a box. Words with ox, ox, box, fox. Reading words ending with oy, oy, oy. Reading words. Okay, reading words ending with oy, o, y. Okay, you have boy, toy, joy. Instead of hoy, I'll write Roy, name of a boy. Now, b and y, boy. T, toy. J, joy. And R, Roy. You can also write this letter R because the name of a person, Roy. Now, we can get a sentence. You can say give boy a toy. You must give boy a toy. Then what else? Then Roy is a boy. Roy is a boy. Alright? Let's look at the sentence. Oy. We have used oy. Oy, boy. Oy, toy. Oy, joy. Oy, Roy. Give boy a toy. Roy is a boy. Learning to make sentences, reading words ending with oi, making words ending with oi. Reading words ending with ug, ug. G. You have okay. Bug. B-U-G, bug is a little insect. Hug. Mommy gives you hug. Then you have mug. You drink milk in your mug. And rug. You rub your feet on the rug. Okay. Then you also have jug. Fine. Now let's make some sentences. Okay. You can say a mug, you put your mug, a mug on a rug. And mommy gives you good scolding for putting mug on a rug. A bug hugs. A bug, what is the bug doing? The hugging its baby. Okay, now look at the bug, words ending with UG. Hug, jug, mug, rug. A mug on a rug. A bug hugs. A bug, mommy bug, hugs the baby. Words ending with UG. Read words ending with Okay, words ending with UM. You have gum, some, mum, and your gum, some. You have to do some mathematics. Mum. Okay. Let's get some sound, some sentences. Gum. What happened to the gum? On mum. Then do the sums. Do the sum. Okay. Gum. Some. Mum. Gum on mum. Do the sum. Words ending with um. Mum, some, gum. Reading words ending with un. un. Words ending with un. You have bun, sun, fun, run, none, gun. Okay, now we have bun, gun, sun, fun, run, none. Okay, you have none. I can say run in the sun. Where do you run? Run in the sun. Get the gun. Eat the bun. Okay, we have run, sun, gun, bun. We have used the words un to make new word. Bun, gun, sun, fun, run, none. Run in the sun. Get the gun, eat the bun. Words ending with un. Let us read words ending with ut. U-T, ut. U-T, ut. Words ending with ut. Okay, we have but, hut, nut, cut. Okay, but, cut, hut, no, nut. Actually, there is P, it's not part, it's put. Put. Okay, but, cut, hut, nut, and put. Now, put a nut in the hut. In the hut. Okay. Cut the nut. All right. Now look at the words now. But, cut, hut, nut, put, okay, put, nut, hut, cut, nut. We have used UT words here. Put a nut in the hut. Cut the nut. Use learning to read word ending with ut, ut. But, cut, hut, nut, put. And the sentence, make most sentence using ut words.